Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 5 different snack recipes with you, in addition to a bunch of different snack ideas at the end of the video that will hopefully inspire you and keep you full all week long. There's a free PDF and links to all the recipes down in the description box, so if you need any of the exact measurements or recipes, you can find them there. Let's jump in. As you can see for the first recipe, I've toasted some raw hazelnuts, and that is because we are making some homemade vegan Nutella that is going to change your world. It is so delicious. And to make it, you're just going to roast some hazelnuts, add them to a food processor with some cocoa powder, coconut sugar, sea salt, and process this until smooth. And this makes an amazing spread or dip for fruits or pretzels all throughout the week. Next up, we're making some lemon poppy seed muffins. We love to snack on baked goods all throughout the week, especially with some nut butter or some fruit. They're just a heartier snack that will keep you full until your next meal. For these lemon poppy seed muffins, you're going to actually mix together the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients separately. You really want the wet ingredients to have time to bloom, I guess you could say, because you're gonna be mixing baking soda and lemon juice together and it's gonna get super fluffy and voluminous. So you want to give the wet ingredients about 5 minutes to fizz before adding the dry ingredients and stirring that all together. And then you're gonna pop the batter into some muffin tins, bake them until light and fluffy, and then you can just store them in the fridge and grab them for a quick breakfast even, or just a snack on the go. Next up, we're making an edamame hummus. This is just a great high protein snack that you can eat with crackers or pretzels or veggies. And it's going to be a base of edamame beans that have been cooked, tahini, cilantro, garlic, salt, cumin, and you're going to process this until smooth. It is so flavorful, high in protein, great dip for veggies, so if you are a savory person or don't like snacking on sweet things, this is definitely the recipe for you. Now, this next recipe is probably my favorite of this whole video, and all my friends love it, all my family loves it. Whenever I make these, they do not last long, and it is sweet and spicy roasted or candied cashews. So easy to make. You're just going to coat some cashews in a little bit of olive oil, maple syrup, sea salt, and ground cayenne pepper. Even if you don't like much spice, I highly recommend adding just a little bit of ground cayenne. It makes such a difference in the flavor and makes these very addictive. So once you've coated them in the oil and the maple syrup and spices, you're gonna dump them onto a lined sheet, spread them out and so that they're in an even layer, and you're just gonna roast these for about 10 minutes, watching them closely towards the end. Allow them to cool and the maple syrup will harden, and you will have an addictive, sweet and spicy snack whenever you get hungry. Last but not least, I'm showing a recipe that I've shown a couple times already on the channel, but it is just my go-to, always in the fridge snack that I can't not include in this video. So these are for energy balls or protein bites or whatever you want to call them, and they start with a mix of quick oats, ground flaxseed, and a mix-in of choice. And the thing I love most about this recipe is that it's super adaptable, so you can change up the flavor every week because you're going to add it in a nut butter and a sweetener of choice. So I love to use peanut butter. It's a very inexpensive nut butter, and you can find it at every grocery store. But if you wanted to switch up the flavor, you could add in different spices like cinnamon, you could use almond butter, you could add in chocolate chips for mix-ins, or raisins, or dried apricots that you've chopped up. Basically, the possibilities are endless, and so it makes it really fun and easy to switch up the flavor every week so you don't get bored. And I just love these because they've got protein, carbs, fats in every bite, and they keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. So I hope you guys love this recipe as much as we do. Alright guys, those are the 5 specific recipes that I wanted to share with you guys today. Again, you can find all of the recipes linked down below, as well as in the free downloadable PDF. And now I just wanted to jump into some classic snack ideas that really don't require a recipe that we eat on a regular basis. I would say fruit is a great snack, but to be honest, fruit usually doesn't fill me up and makes me hungrier, so we love to pair it with a nut butter or something hearty like nuts. This is a fun idea for apple nachos. Just slice your apples into kind of chip-like shape, drizzle it with some nut butter, and top it with granola. This keeps me a lot fuller than just an apple. My daughter also is obsessed with frozen bananas. It tastes like ice cream to her, so I just freeze super ripe bananas, chop them up into bite-sized pieces, and she loves that. For all you savory people, rice crackers or toast with mashed avocado or hummus is a great option. Nice and salty if you add some sea salt on top. We also love to top ours with that homemade Nutella, banana, and granola. My homemade chickpea flour banana bread is one of my favorite snacks, and so is popcorn. It's such a great snack that kids love and I often forget about. There are lots of healthier options at the store now, or my favorite way to make it is just to air pop it in the microwave. Another thing I love to snack on are just heartier drinks like this boba tea or a latte. Chia seed pudding makes a great snack. Homemade granola bars or even store-bought ones. We love Lara bars. And then another snack that I had to include because I love it is pretzels, almonds, and mustard. Maybe you'll love it too. Let me know in the comments down below. And last but not least, popsicles or smoothies also make a great, refreshing snack. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you got some new snack ideas for your week ahead. Please let me know in the comments down below which recipe you're gonna try. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos in the future like it, please give this video a like, subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and again, all the recipes will be linked down below as well as a free PDF, so don't forget to check that out, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!